So, do you already speak Russian? Do you know secret words that have several meanings and can be used as slang or even swear words? Oh, I can hear how your brain is moving, so listen carefully and write it down. Let's go! I want to start with vegetables. I mean, with words which you know as vegetables. Капуста. Okay, we know that капуста is vegetable, but also we call dollars cabbage, because dollars are green like cabbage and it's slang. People who are working for dollars ask each other in slang. Сколько капусты ты сегодня срубил? The next vegetable is Перец, but it also has another meaning. Перец is the name of a young man, usually in an ironic way, and it's slang too. Давай я тебя с Андреем познакомлю. Реально крутой перец. Овощ. Yes, this word has another meaning as well. And this is what we say about those who have no intellectual activity, who poops onto himself and eats with a hose. Otherwise, the condition is called vegetative, that is plant. После инсульта он превратился в овощ, но у нас еще есть надежда. The next one is fruct. This is what we say about a suspicious person who is not trusted. Ну и фрукт этот Саша. Let's move on to animals, and we will start with the word олень. And of course, this word has a slang meaning. That's who we call stupid people. Олень is synonymous with the word moron, fool, idiot, etc. Also, we can use this word only for man, because олень is a masculine noun. Саша, ну ты олень! The next word is сука or сучка. Let's look at the first meaning of this word. Сука is a female dog. The second meaning of this word is a swear word. And this word means villain, scoundrel. Sometimes the word сука or сучка can characterize a daring woman. But it's better not to give such a compliment to a woman. Он поступил с тобой, как сука. If there is a female dog, сука, there is a male dog, кобель. Yes, that's right, male dog in Russia will be кобель. And the second meaning of this word, and it will be also swear word and insult, кобель is a man who is a womanizer. He doesn't miss any women. Я слышала, тебе снова звонил этот кобель? У меня был одноклассник, его звали все олень. Саша, ну ты олень! Да хватит чесаться, сейчас пойдешь в рюкзак у меня. Юль, он поступил с тобой как сука. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, I will do the second part. Write in the comments what do you think.